I didn't come from a rich family, but a rich nation will come out from me. Heavenly Father, thank you for where I came from. Thank you for the journey, the struggles, and the lessons. Even though I didn't come from wealth, I believe you are writing a new story with my life. Lord, I declare a rich family will come out from me, not just in money, but in wisdom, peace, purpose, and joy. Break every chain of struggle, fear, and limitation in my bloodline. I may not have had much, but I have you, and with you I have everything. Let my children eat the fruit of seeds I plant in tears today. Let them walk in rooms I only dreamed of. Please, Lord, don't let my children see any struggle.